$1 million. For most people, that number sounds impossible. We tend to look at extreme wealth and assume it requires signing a massive sports contract, starring in a blockbuster movie, or founding a Silicon Valley giant. But the reason most people never reach seven figures has very little to do with the actual dollar amount. Most fail because they fixate on the massive total sum rather than looking at the underlying math. Earning $1 million is actually a solvable equation, and it only requires plugging in 3 specific variables. Mastering these variables turns wealth from a matter of chance into a matter of calculation. Let's look at the first variable, the arithmetic. You can reach a 7-figure target simply by sliding the scales of volume and value. This chart shows how $1 million can be broken into 10 smaller wins. It could come from acquiring 10 successful projects, investments, or businesses, each worth $100,000. If $100,000 per client feels out of reach, we can lower the price and increase the volume. Find 100 clients willing to pay $10,000. Or we move into the mass market. In a digital economy with billions of people online, building a product that sells for $1,000 means you only need to find 1,000 customers. And if you drop the price point down to roughly what an online course or coaching program costs, say $100, your target is 10,000 buyers. The total revenue is exactly the same, driven entirely by scale. But maybe rapid scale isn't your strength. Let's step away from chasing thousands of customers and look at a completely different kind of math: slow, daily consistency. This line graph maps out a 10-year horizon. If you can figure out a way to earn exactly $274 every single day, you will cross the $1 million mark at the end of year 10. Whether you rely on high-volume product sales or quiet daily input over a decade, the arithmetic of success operates on predictable, manageable, and highly repetitive logic. Of course, knowing the arithmetic doesn't mean much if you don't have the systems to execute it. That brings us to variable 2, the mechanics. One of the most effective mechanical systems is investing. When you allocate capital, you stop earning money and start employing it. Your cash becomes a burger that operates 24 hours a day. Human labor has severe limits. We have to sleep, we travel, we spend time with our families. But invested capital never rests. It compounds relentlessly, entirely removed from your physical effort. The mechanics also require breaking the myth of the single massive paycheck. Wealth is rarely generated from one solitary source. This flowchart shows how multiple microstreams can combine. $2,000 from freelance work, $1,000 from investments, another $1,000 from a side business, and $500 each from digital products and affiliates. That merges into a robust $5,000 a month. The market compensates you based on the scale of the challenge you address. Solving a $10 inconvenience generates $10. Solving a $1 million systemic bottleneck generates a $1 million payout. Payouts are strictly proportional to the size of the problem you solve. The mechanics of wealth require a shift in design. You stop relying on a single point of failure, like one job or one client, and engineer multiple automated systems that consistently deliver value. But even with perfect math and flawless mechanical systems, the equation fails if it lacks the correct psychological environment. This is variable 3, the catalysts. The first catalyst is time. A major flaw in how we approach large goals is expecting a decade's worth of results in 10 days. One skill learned, one investment made, one business started. A single action seems insignificant on its own, but repeated daily over years, the compounding power becomes massive. The final catalyst is a very specific shift in mindset. When faced with a 7-figure goal, one mindset immediately sees an obstacle and gives up. The other sees the exact same number and looks for a way to deconstruct it. Achieving the math is ultimately a byproduct of how you view the problem. It requires shifting your default perspective from "that is impossible" to "how do I break this down?" That 7-figure target represents the intersection of basic arithmetic, mechanical systems, and temporal catalysts. Looking at a detailed blueprint reveals how the individual foundational steps support the final goal. The people who reach this level rarely rely on luck. They execute a precise plan of scale. So stop focusing on the intimidating final number. Pick one of the mathematical routes we just laid out. Look closely at your chosen formula and answer one single actionable question. What is my first step?